We are literally standing less than 10 feet away from this thing, and he doesn't care that we're standing here. Got a good one there. Oh, look at the size of that grub. Too big. This is amazing. Maybe he's swallowing and he's looking up. I don't know.
That stump is done, I think. The marks on the bark where his nose is.
You know, buddy, that stump is supposed to protect my house.
If it's that rotten, I don't think it's doing much.
From the cars that come down the road. You know?
I'm going to eat.
Okay, this is neat.
You done?
Oh, this is fascinating. Look at that. Tear the crap out of my stump. Look at the size of that one.
I've heard them, but I've never seen one.
Not up close as you haven't.
Yeah, no.
Wow. That's a man on a mission.
It's gonna rain.
Mm-hmm. Why don't you eat the Subaru?
Don't they get a headache?
Yeah, right?
Let them look in there.
Yeah.
See if they have food.
Look at him look in there.
Yeah.
Throw it in my driveway.
Look like the mountain
Go ahead.
be gone. The stump will
Yeah,
be
right?
gone.
Yeah, he's just throwing the stuff all over the place.
It's cheaper than hiring Bob.
Did you hear that? It's cheaper than hiring Bob to do my tree work.
Full board.
Got another one. Man.
It's a big one. They must have some claws on them, huh? Look at that.
Now what, are we gonna like save them for later or what?
Yeah.